Right, item number 7, electricity supply contract. Neil Ward. Good afternoon, Neil.
Good afternoon, Your Worship and Councillors. Yeah, pretty simple item. Every 3 years we go out for tender for our electricity supply. This year we've gone through an all-of-government process, so basically it aggregates supply from the councils in the Waikato and runs a formal tender process through MB. So this is basically what it's come back with, which has resulted in savings on our existing contract as well by about 5%. So really simple item, just any questions?
Right. Any questions? Queries?
Jim, just for my education, time of use sites and non-time of use sites, what's the difference?
Time of use site, the meter is read every half hour and it's charged accordingly. So that's mainly our time of use sites are our big consumption sites.
Such as the water treatment plant? Or?
That is correct, yeah. And non-time of use is like this building, just your smaller consumption sites.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All pretty straightforward. Do these particular tenderers offer any other services to our district apart from this, the good price? Like sponsoring anything or anything like that?
I'm sure councillors will be aware of some very generous sponsorship that Contact Energy supplies in terms of the swim school.
Yes, swim school, yeah, good.
And Trustpower, I'm not
Okay,
sure,
so
I'm sure they support the district as well.
Yeah.
Community awards.
Community awards, yeah. Good. All right, thank you. Recommended resolution there. Can I have a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried.